Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Amazon Alexa app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on settings. We just click on settings. It's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down. Then all you have to do, so you just sorry, you click here on notifications. Yes, you click it on notifications, you'll find it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on reminders here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you come here to always follow up reminders, just clicking this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean always follow up. It's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.